Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So you have 3 choco pie, Shania, 2 for Andrea, 2 for Akina, and 2 for April. And additional 3,000 for Shania, 2,000 for Andrea, 2,000 for Akina, and 2,000 for April. And that is from Soyoung Taknim.
Uncle Soyoung Taknim, 감사합니다.
Kamsamida. Bye.
안녕하세요. So, mag-milk kini from SJ님. SJ님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Thank you for milking. Ito ko kasi ako nilo ka na himog daw. So this is my school supplies, and this is my tumbler and many fun, and this is my notebook. Gigong Dream, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다. Bye bye.
Okay, so how are you? Kumusta man ang inyong school? So what are you doing during your weekends? Ate Nicole is doing her assignment. How about you, Ate Bea? Laag. And Ate Jasmine, you have Saturday class, right? So you just got home from school. So lately, with our teachers meeting, Chaji Hunim thinks of you. So you are so special because Chaji Hunim gives you 500 pesos to eat together, okay? So you will have to buy local foods here in our area. And then Sir said that you also buy at Andrea's barbecue station. Ilatikis ha. So kamo together mong tulo, and then Ate Jasmine, you will be in charge with the taking of video. Okay? And if you're going to buy snacks also here in our area as well. Okay? But do not spend all. Ha? So you have to spend less only so that you still have allowance for your school. Okay? And also Ate Bea, you have 200 pesos from Orachachanim. Okay?
Orachachanim, annyeonghaseyo.
And also kanang 500 pesos. Kamo ng tuluha, that is from Chaji Hunim.
Chajunim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
And from Kim Yung Sunim, Ate Bea. So that is also for your allowance, and you can also buy snacks together mo nila, Ate, ha?
Annyeonghaseyo, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Okay, so manimogo. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 감사합니다.
Take video, Ate Jasmine, ha, and then send it to me, okay? So it's up to you when mo mga on. Okay, what time? Or pwede ka tomorrow or kagun ba? Basin sold out na ba ila, Ate Kiss, ha? Kamera lang pagsabot, okay? Sige na. Do your assignment now, Ate Nicole. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Shaira and Leah Rich.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, kabalo mo si rason nga nagipaanhita mo sa study room. Wala. So, gipaarita mo with regard sa inyong attendance. Kay since inyong attendance, naa na mo duha ka absent. Which is, pila man to ka absent ang gi-require namo ni Teacher Junyan? Tulo. So, diba, gi-inform na mo nga, if maka-absent na mo duha, warningan na mo. And then, if ma-absent pa gyud mo balik, ikatulo na, matangtang na mo largo, ana. Right? Giignan naman na mo ni Teacher Junior, ana, di ba? So, Shaira, naman kay duha ka absent. Absent ka pag August 1 o August 8. So, where were you man during that time? Asa ka ana nga time?
Nasa balay, nagbuhat ng mga assignments.
Nagbuhat ka og mga assignments. How about you, Leah Rich?
Nagbuhat o assignments sa balay, nagkapi sa kapihunan.
Okay, so, naghimo mo og assignment sa balay. Diba, giingnan masan mo na mo ana ni Teacher Junior na if ever na may dagang waton nun sa school, mga paperworks, diba, pwede man na ninyo dadon diri kay para matabangan sa inyong ubang kauban diri sa study room. Anong wala man na ninyo gibuhat?
Anong giuban ti maka-disturbo po ba? Sabak yung kayo.
Okay, so, next time ha, if yung na gani, daghan kaayo og paperworks, pahibaw mo na mo, kay para ma-excuse mo na mo, or ipadaan na lang dyan na mo diri, kay para tabangan mo na mo, ana. And then, sa imuha Leah Rich, I heard during the live event nga, nihilak ka tungod sa imuhang attendance. So, ako, I admit that I made a mistake sa imuhang attendance, kay, di ba, na-absent ka to pag last, kay, you were sick. Instead of marking you excuse, I marked you absent. So, I forgot that you were sick that time. So, I marked you absent. So, that was my mistake. I'm sorry for that. And then, paminaw. I'm looking forward nga dili na mo absent. Kasabot, Shaira, isa na lang kaka-absent. If mo absent pa kagkaisa, tangtang nakalargo. Nagkasinabot ta. If you think gani nga ang pagklase diri sa study room is kanang sagabal ninyo, una-una alang 1 hour na, 1 hour. 1 hour sacrifice sa inyong time. Dali ra kayo na mahuman ang 1 hour. Nga di pagin mo muanhi ana. Kasi nabot na ta. 1 absent na lang ka, Shaira. Matangtang na ka. Okay? Sige ha, I'm looking forward nga. Dili na mo absent diri sa study room. Fighting. Okay, so bye-bye. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo, Sophia.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so as for now, you completed the written task for multiplication table. And how many times?
10 times.
Okay, so for that, we will going to have a retest. And I will ask 10 random questions for multiplication table test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so please hand over to me the paper. Okay. 9 times 9.
81.
8 times 8.
64.
7 times 2.
14.
8 times 3.
24.
8 times 5.
40.
How about 6 times 6?
36.
7 times 6.
42.
5 times 4.
20.
2 times 9.
18.
3 times 4.
12.
And 8 times 3.
24.
Okay, congratulations. Na-accomplish nimo ang atong retest. And my advice is, unsa gito akong advice with regards to multiplication table test? Magtuon. Self-study. The multiplication of self-study, okay? So, fighting!
Fighting.
Okay, very good. Bye-bye, Sophia.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Angeline.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so since you failed last live broadcast with regards of the multiplication table, so your consequences is to write how many times?
5 times.
5 times. Okay, so you've completed the task. Okay, please hand over. And I will retest the multiplication table, 10 random questions. Are you ready? Okay. 9 times 3.
27.
8 times 6.
48.
7 times 7.
49.
6 times 8.
48.
5 times 9.
45.
4 times 6.
24.
3 times 8.
24.
2 times 9.
18.
6 times 9.
54.
8 times 8.
64.
Okay, congratulations, Angeline. So, a reminder for you, unsay buhaton with regards to the multiplication table?
Study.
Okay, self-study. Fighting!
Fighting.
Okay, congratulations. 안녕하세요, Lawrence. Okay, so since you failed in the multiplication table test, your consequences is to write how many times? 30 times, and you've completed the task. Am I right? Okay, please hand over. I will retest 10 random questions for multiplication table. Are you ready? Okay. 5 times 9.
45.
3 times 8.
24.
2 times 9.
18.
5 times 5.
25.
6 times 8.
48.
7 times 4.
28.
7 times 7.
49.
7 times 8.
56.
9 times 4.
36.
9 times 9.
51.
Okay, congratulations, Lawrence. So your task is unsa ganito? What you will do with regards of the multiplication? Magtuon. Self-study ha. Multiplication is for self-study. Okay, fighting.
Fighting.
Okay. 안녕하세요, Eliza.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so you already completed the 30 times multiplication table writing, right?
Yes.
For your task. And you already passed that one yesterday in the study room. Am I right? Okay.
Yes.
So, for this evening, we're going to have 10 random questions for the retest in the multiplication table. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 9 times 8.
72.
8 times 8.
64.
9 times 4.
36.
7 times 4.
28.
4 times 8.
32.
2 times 9.
18.
3 times 9.
27.
4 times 8.
32.
5 times 5.
25.
6 times 4.
24.
Very good. Okay, congratulations. You passed the retest. Okay, so unsa may learnings nga imong nagat with regards of failing in the multiplication. So may angay buhaton?
Magtuon.
Magtuon. So multiplication is self-study. Okay? So kamo ray mag-study jud maning kamot. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, fighting.
Fighting.
Okay, bye-bye, Eliza.
Bye-bye.
Today is the graduation day. Ryan sa Starland Computer Technology. Nasamida. Oo, pa man nagsabog. Ayan. Hi. Ako, Brian eh.
I'm graduate now in Starline Comtech. Chusung name, thank you so much. I will study hard. This is my certificate and USB. 감사합니다. Bye bye. 감사합니다.